Like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
The latest COVID-19 case numbers from around the states and territories. Here is a quick wrap of each Australian jurisdiction's latest COVID-19 statistics for Thursday, May 5th. You can get a more detailed, visual breakdown through the ABC's Charting the Spread story here. You can jump to the COVID-19 information you want to read by clicking below. Queensland Health authorities have confirmed that 11 more people have died with COVID-19 in Queensland. A total of 467 people are in hospital with the virus, 14 of whom are in ICU. The state has recorded 8,045 new cases in the latest reporting period. New South Wales. Another 21 people have died with COVID-19 in New South Wales. The state has recorded 18,529 new cases. There are 1,529 people in hospital, with 62 of them in ICU. Australian Capital Territory. The Australian Capital Territory has recorded 1,085 new COVID-19 cases. There are currently 70 people in hospital with the virus in Canberra, a figure that includes 4 patients in intensive care. The rate of children in Canberra aged between 5 and 11 years who have received at least one vaccine dose has reached 80.7%, while 75.5% of Canberrans aged 16 years or older have received their booster. Victoria has recorded 11,596 new COVID-19 cases. There are 492 people in hospital and 29 in intensive care, with 14 new deaths reported today. It takes the state's total COVID-19 death toll since the beginning of the pandemic to more than 3,000. Tasmania. There have been no new COVID-related deaths in Tasmania in the latest reporting period. The number of patients in intensive care in hospital has risen to 3, up from 2 yesterday. There have been 1,086 new COVID-19 cases recorded, a slight rise from yesterday. Northern Territory. The Northern Territory has recorded 451 new COVID-19 cases. There are 38 people in hospital with the virus in the territory. 1 is being treated in intensive care. South Australia. In its most recent report, South Australia has recorded another 3,894 COVID-19 cases. 4 people with the virus, all aged in their 80s, have died. There are 218 people with COVID-19 in hospital, including 11 in intensive care. Western Australia. Western Australia has reached a new COVID-19 milestone, recording 10,182 new cases overnight. It's the highest number of daily cases in the state since the pandemic began and follows the confirmation of 9,782 cases yesterday. 6 historical deaths were reported to health authorities yesterday, and there are 271 people being treated for the virus in hospital.